Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device and initiating the first corrective actions. Power on, connect to a stable Wi-Fi, and confirm battery above 20% so updates won't fail. Once done, back up critical data and ensure your Google account credentials are at hand. This avoids lockouts when you remove accounts. Then go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, and force stop, clear cache. This resets temporary faults and often resolves immediate crashes. Now you move into deeper fixes. Update the Play Store and Google Play services from their app pages so mismatched versions don't conflict. Make sure to clear storage and data for Google Services Framework and Play Store. Clearing removes corrupted settings causing repeated stops. Then check system updates. An outdated OS can break service compatibility, so install patches. Also confirm at least 500 megabytes free storage. Low space can prevent services from running correctly. Finish by rebooting the phone. Often a restart allows updated services to initialize cleanly. If crashes persist, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is the culprit. If the problem stops in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after a full backup, because this restores system integrity. If issues remain, one key troubleshooting tip. Check Logcat or error reports to identify recurring exceptions that point to the offending component.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.